Hello. Next type of shallow foundation is raft or mat foundation. This is fourth one. Three types we have already studied of the shallow foundation. This raft or mat foundation is when the bearing capacity of supporting soil is very low and heavy concentrated structural loads are to be supported in case of marshland or made up of soft clay, then this type of foundation is constructed or this is suitable. When the bearing capacity of the soil is very low, that means the soil is very soft, it can't bear too much load, or and when the heavy concentrated structural loads is coming on the structure, then it is necessary to provide a raft or mat foundation. It proves to be economical under waterlogged areas. If the area is comes under waterlogged area, that means there is always water content area, then it is necessary to construct raft or mat foundation. Raft is acting as a floor consisting of thick reinforcement concrete slab covering the entire area of the bottom of the structure. Okay, in the while constructing a raft foundation, the thick reinforcement concrete slab is covered the entire area, bottom area of the structure. You can see in the diagram. First diagram shows the elevation of mat footing, and in plan you can see C1, C2, C3. These are the column numbers in that particular row, and in the elevation you can see there is a PCC at the entire bottom of the foundation. Raft or mat foundation is also used to control the differential settlement. It is very important. Mat or raft foundation is also used to control the differential settlement, and this type of foundation is very suitable when the bearing capacity of the soil is very low. Then in that case raft foundations are provided. Okay, म्हणजेच हा सपोर्टिंग पार्ट जो असेल ज्याच्यावर की हे सर्व कॉलम्स रेस्ट असतील, तर हा पूर्ण पार्ट हा स्ट्रक्चर ने पूर्ण हे केलेला असतो, म्हणजे थिक रेन्फोर्समेंट पूर्णपणे त्याच्यावर आतरलेला असतो. असा पूर्ण स्लॅब PCC तो बनवून घेतलेला बॉटमवरच बनवलेला असेल आणि त्याच्यावर एक एक कॉलम हा रेस्ट होईल. ठीक आहे, तर त्याला सर्व कॉलम असे एकंदरीत जोडले गेलेले असतील त्या PCCवर. ओके, तर अशा टाईपचं फाउंडेशन जे असेल ते राफ्ट फाउंडेशन. त्याच्यानंतरचा टाईप आहे ड्रिलेज फाउंडेशन. See, it is a type of shallow foundation. Remember, again, grillage foundation is a type of shallow foundation. Still now we are studying the types of shallow foundation. A foundation consisting of one, two or more layers of beams, typically steel. These beams are typically steel beams superimposed on concrete layer to disperse the load over a large area is a foundation for drilling. Okay, it is used at the base of the columns. This type of foundation in which these are maybe constructed in steel or timber also. Here only steel is mentioned, but these grillage foundations can be constructed in steel or timber. Again, these layers are wrapped in concrete, are at right angles to each other. For this description, you have to see the diagram of grillage foundation. See the sectional diagram of this grillage foundation. Here, starting from top, there is steel stanchion. That means that total part is steel part. Steel stanchion is rest on the gusset plate. Then gusset plate is attached with angle cleat. Yes, you have to see in the diagram carefully. There is angle cleat which bears the gusset plate and stanchion. Then at below of the angle cleat there is base plate, and this base plate rests on the first tier, TIER, first tier. This first tier, second tier, third tier, fourth tier, these tires are made up of steel. These dark parts which are connected by horizontal member, and this horizontal member is simply pipes. See here, pipe separators. These are pipe separators which separates these first these tires, and first tire is rest on their second tire, and this total assembly is embedded in a concrete. See here, at right there is 10 centimeter left space, and at the bottom 15 centimeter minimum space is left from that second tire to the boundary of that PCC part. So this total assembly is embedded in a PCC, and this total system is a grillage foundation. The total depth of the grillage foundation is up to 1 to 1.5 meter, and the function is the load of column is distributed to soil by means of two layers of steel sections. That means of two layers. These layers are then embedded in cement concrete to keep them in position and protect from the external agents. This PCC work protects these first tire, second tire from the external agents, and that is the function of providing this PCC. So this is all about grillage foundation. You have to remember these points. A grillage foundation is a special type of isolated footing generally provided for heavily loaded steel structures. Obviously, there is steel content more in the grilles foundation, and so it can bear a lots of load, structure load. It is used in the location where safe bearing capacity of soil is very poor. Here, where soil bearing capacity is very poor. Again, very poor, it means generally it is used in case of sandy soil. Okay, Grilles foundations are generally provided in sandy soils in which sand content is more. So these are the uh, types, five types, main five types of shallow foundation that we are completing here. And these are very important types. As exam point of view, you have to draw these diagrams in detail and give the explanation of each type. Okay, so one question is always there on shallow foundation. So remember the details of these shallow foundation types. So in the next lecture, we will start deep foundation. So thank you.